Want smoother, firmer skin without booking a facial? Meet the Lumio Skin Lift, your powerful 3-minute ritual for visible skin renewal. Here's how to get the most out of it. First, start with clean, dry skin. For best results and the smoothest glide, apply 2 to 3 pumps of our 8-pepta activating serum to the first area you're treating. Lumio does the heavy lifting, combining red and infrared light therapy, 4D current infusion, and facial massage to help soften fine lines, lift contours, and leave your skin fresh and glowing. To begin, press and hold the power button to turn it on. Then tap to cycle through 6 targeted treatment modes and pick the one that your skin needs today. Now slowly glide Lumio in upward and outward motions across your forehead, under eyes, cheeks, jawline, and your neck. Make sure to apply the 8-pepta serum as you move to each new area. Spend about 30 seconds on each area, and the full session takes just 3 minutes. When your session's done, Lumio powers off automatically. You'll see the instant glow, the lift, and re-energized skin right away. After your session, wipe the device clean with a soft cloth or alcohol wipe, and store it in a cool, dry place. Use it 3 to 5 times a week for best results. That's it, powerful skincare made simple. Let Lumio do the work so you can focus on your glow.